Hello everyone, welcome back to again my channel Royal Interior World. In today's video, I am going to share with you wardrobe interior designs or wardrobe inside designs that will help you to design your wardrobe in such a way you can store more things in easily and organized way. Once you have decided to buy a wardrobe, you need to decide what kind of wardrobe you want and where you want it installed or placed. You need to give enough thought on how you need the wardrobe interior design to be like. These tips which I am going to share in this video will help you choose the right wardrobe if you are looking to buy a ready-made one. If your ready-built designs do not work for you because they are very generic and you have your own idea on how to store your clothes, shoes, bags, and other things, then these handy tips become unnecessary, especially when you get yourself a wall to wall wardrobes. All wardrobes need more or less the same elements to become very utilitarian. You need to familiarize yourself with these and how to arrange or design them to get the most out of your wardrobe. Friends, in this video, I have shared more than 100 wardrobe inside design ideas that will inspire you and that will help you to create a perfect wardrobe for yourself. Now we are going to discuss about some tips that will help you to design your wardrobe in efficient manner. On number one, we have choosing the material for wardrobe interior design. Here friends, both aesthetic and durability matter when picking a design for the wardrobe interior. We start with the material for your wardrobe interior. You can choose from. First of all, we have a plywood. This is very popular choice. Several veneer of wood are stuck together with glue. It comes in many patterns. You can have a polished plywood interior or have it painted. Plywood interior are sturdy but function well only in low moisturizer area. And next we have a solid wood. This is your sturdiest wardrobe interior material and will last ages in any weather, but it will need regular polishing to maintain its charm. Depending on the color of your room and the exterior of the wardrobe, you can choose a color for the wood interior, or you can stick with the color of the original wood and add a layer of polish. And next material is wood plastic composite. Made from wood and thermoplastic, this wardrobe interior material is resistant to termite and water. This material is also easy to maintain. And next material we have a particle board. Particle board interior is not affected by heat and moisture. It does not buckle or become puffy. It is also soft and durable, so designer can cut and crave it for decorative designs. Next material we have a medium density fiber wood. This wardrobe interior material is extremely sustainable, tough, affordable, and low maintenance. However, it can retain moisture, so if your wardrobe is near your bathroom wall, avoid MDF. And our next tip is for a more premium feel, you can opt for a finishing material on top of the wardrobe interior material. Here are a few options. On number one, we have a popular laminates. This is an age-old favorite for wardrobe interior design. Today you can get a catalog of the laminates in different colors, patterns, and with both glossy and matte finish from your interior decorer or online. Next we have a decorative veneer. This interior finishing material will give you a proper woody look and is a good idea if you don't want to spend a large sum of money on real wood. These two come in various wood colors and patterns of wood green. Next material is metal and leather. This wardrobe interior finishing material design is not yet very popular but gives an appearance of great pulse and style. And next is a mirror. If you have a small wardrobe, you can line the interior with a mirror for classy look and also get an illusion of larger space. And on number third, we have a tip: interior lighting as a part of wardrobe inside design. Whether your wardrobe is big or small, a walk-in closet or a wall-mounted one or a simple stand-alone wardrobe, you want the interior to be well lit. Lights are an important part of interior design of the wardrobe. Here do have many options to choose from. First of all, we have a strips of LED lights. You can install LED strip lights along the roof of the wardrobe interior or along the shelves for softer illumination. Next, we have a motion sensor lights. These lights turn on only when you open the wardrobe door. There is no need for a switch. And next, we have recessed lighting. These wardrobe interior design lights are fitted in grooves of the wardrobe roof. This kind of light gives overall illumination. Next, we have a small spotlights. These can be incorporated in your wardrobe interior design along with overall lighting. The, these can shed extra light on specific sections of wardrobe like your shoes closet or jewelry segment. And next we have our track lighting. These lights can be moved. You can change their fixtures to shine light on any corner or segment of wardrobe you want. And next we have our rod lights. These lights are fixed to the rods that are inside your wardrobe. They help you to see the clothes hanging from the rod. And next we have our dimmable lights. Such lights are ideal for a very large wardrobe or walk-in closet that can get plenty of light during the day. When you open the doors, you can increase or lower the brightness depending on how much intensity of light you want. And next I have cabinet or drawer lights. Lights can be added inside the drawers or the cabinets. These help illuminate the content of drawers or cabinets, making life easier. And here is pro tip: if you don't want to go through all these hassle of adding wiring to your wardrobe, go for battery powered lights to illuminate your wardrobe. And we have a tip number 4 to design your perfect wardrobe interiors, that is shelf idea for your wardrobe inside design. Who said there is not variety of ways shelves can be arranged? Let's take a look. On number 1 we have a fixed shelves. These shelves are permanently attached to the inside of the wardrobe. Whether you are buying a wardrobe with fixed shelves or customizing a wardrobe, make sure the fixed shelves are positioned in a way convenient to you. In the video, we have shared more than 100 ideas to help you to find ideas for your wardrobe interior, and I hope you will like these shelving ideas. Next, we have adjustable shelves. These shelves move along a channel or track. You can move them up or down. This gives you freedom to arrange the interior how you like. And next, we have a pull-out shelves. These shelves also have a track and you can pull them out from their place. This lets you have great access to the clothes on that shelf. And next I have a drawer shelves. These shelves contain small drawers where you can keep small items like socks, hankies, and jewelry extra. Friends, shelves play very important role in wardrobe interior. They will help you to maximize your storage space. In the video, we have shared many wardrobe interior design idea, and I hope you will like all the designs. Thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, you can like it and share it. Thank you for visiting here. Bye bye.